So here the simple Java program which is having a class hello class name is a hello world, and it's creating a attributes as a public static main or string of arguments. It's in a printout statement hello and world. We are give it as a printf, and then class definition is define the classes, and hello world is the name of the classes, and this method is inside the classes, and the public where access the modifier and making a main and JVM, and then JVM to executed methods. These are all as a even facilities, and then it's having the keyboard. Its main method to call without objects. No objects class previous. The y method to be in since the JVM methods called to be main method, and then main method won't be static, and JVM is having a dynamic. Now void main function is no return value, just write and read the inputs only. Next one is simple Java program. So in simple Java program, we have string arguments. We have to see first one. The string array gets the commands line of arguments. Java main method accepts the arguments of this type of string. This is called as Java command line arguments, having a system.out.lm allow printf statement. Next one is Java access modifier, which is used to accessible the visibility of the classes, interfaces and variables and methods and constructor and data members, and the methods and the setter methods specifier that determine whether a field or method of a class that can be used for inherit another one. Access the specifier can be used to restrict the access, and access specifier in the integral part of the object-oriented programming. So public, private, product. Public is declared as visible everywhere. Declare the variable within the classroom. Declare the variables within the class package of all students. All subclasses. Declarations are visible only within the package. Public specifier arrives in the highest level of accessibility, and then class methods field of a declared public. It can be accessed from any classes in the Java program, whether these classes are in the same package or in another package. The public class modifier has no scope of restrictions. So here the class student in the age, name and the roll number is having a function. So system.out.println just display that record. So here the public main classes, main students, and it's having wide challenges of a student, new student, age, name and roll number and display. The next one is private is a software specifier allow us to the lowest level of accessible. The private method is false can be the can access within the same class, which method of the self period, and then so private access specifier to get the public access in specifier, and income access hide the data from the other world. Some points of noted regarding the private access. Private access methods can't be used into class and inheritance, and the scope private either method or variable limited within a class, and the class private constructor can't create an objects the class from the place like within this method.